Right, guys, so gonna do some winter ride. Alright, let's see how shitty my bikes run in the winter. This Pitbike's been giving me some issues. When it's cold, it really hates to run. Give me a break. See what I mean? Come on. And it's not the spark plug, I just replaced it. I have to do this, because if I don't, then it won't run right for some reason. I have to like warm it up by revving it really high because it doesn't idle when it's like this. When it's warm, it idles though. Go for a run. Snowbank. I'm stuck. That was a good run. Let's do it again. Ooh, nice. Yep, she's a beauty. Running like a good one. A little bit of backfire. Actually, I think I just bought gas for it, but who's that? Looks like a cop. No, that's not a cop. That's just some random guy in an Impala. Anyways, yeah, I went to the gas station, and I'm pretty sure, look at this guy, he's looking at it. Is he looking at me? No. Alright. I went to the gas station, and I'm pretty sure that there must have been some water in the gas. Because every time I start this thing up, it's like backfiring like crazy. And it's acting like it's on a really shitty gas. Look at this guy. Can you see that? See if you can see through the bushes. Look at him. Probably waiting there for me. No, I'm joking. Or he saw my helmet cam. It's pretty obvious. Take her up for a little skateboard spin. Oh no, this guy's just on his cell phone. There you go. I've been skateboarding in a while. Oh crap. There's Harluna in the house. Oh, look. What are you barking at? What are you barking at? Yeah, he's still learning how to bark. He just ran away, like. He's scared of my helmet. Watch this.
What's wrong, dude?
I'm gonna get you. Harluna. Harluna. Harluna, you scared of the helmet? You scared of the helmet? You scared of the helmet? Why are you licking so much? Oh, he's my big boy. Okay. Easy. Oh, he's looking. He's looking. He said I like the helmet. Ooh. There you go.